Hi, my name is Tanya, and today I will show you how to easily review your client's profile on your LyfQuest platform. So starting from the left navigation menu, we will select the Clients tab. When selected, you will be presented with the client's page in a tiled representation. From here, we will select the client. And now you can see the client's profile page or their dashboard. This page gives you an overview of your client. You can see their email, the groups that they're in. This client is only in the STEM group. You can see their time zone, the date of their activation. You can update your client's information and add or remove them from groups by selecting the Edit button. Here we can update information like their address, city or state, zip code. We can add notes in here. And these notes are just for the coach. Your client will never see these notes. And then you can add or remove them from different groups. The one thing that you cannot change is the email. If their email changes, you will have to start over with a new email. This email cannot be changed. That's the way that they are connected to you. Now you can also see the day count. And this is how long this particular client has been with you. And you can pause or resume their day count from this page just by selecting the button. You may pause the day count if your client is going to be away for an extended period of time or possibly even for sickness. You don't want them to lose those days and the contract ends in the system before all the sessions are actually completed. Just don't forget to resume the day count when the client is ready to resume. You can also see pending tasks. These are the tasks waiting to be completed by your client and their due dates. These are the tasks that show up on your client's homepage for upcoming tasks and appointments. From this screen, you can also add tasks, individual tasks for your client to complete. And you can pick it from your file on your hard drive, or you can pick it from your resource page. You're going to add a title and a message. That this message will show up for your client on their upcoming task page, their due date, and you can start adding in questions. And this works just like in the responders where we show you how to set up a task. It's the same way. And the task will be added and will show up on their homepage. You can also see the tasks that have been completed by your client. And if you click on the tile, it will open up and you can see their responses to the questions. You're able to print this or just review it and close. Also up here, you'll see upcoming tasks up here in the right corner. This client has no upcoming tasks, but these will be the tasks that are part of your autoresponder that will show up for your client when the due date comes. So whatever date your autoresponder is set up for, that's the date it will show up on their homepage. You can also see invoices here, and this is where you'll set up payment for your client. And this is just a brief one where you'll fill in information for your client on their contract begin and end date. And we'll talk more about this on the tutorial for invoices. Next, you can set upcoming chats. And again, you can select a file from your hard drive, from your resources page, or in the chat, it can be a task. So what's interesting about this one? So let's just we'll pick a resource. Let's pick this one. Okay, so we'll have this one send out today. Let's have it send out at 10 a.m. Okay, and we'll hit the save button. And now this message is ready to go out. So let's take a look at our chat page and see what it looks like. Here is my message that's waiting to go out. It says, look at this, what do you think? And if you notice, there is a skip button and there is a send button. So we have this because if client C sends me a message, and the message may have something to do with what I'm sending, I'm going to hit the skip button because I don't want it to go out again and it looks like I haven't read their message. So I get the option to kind of delete it and skip it. Or my client may ask me a question and this message, okay, how do I want to say this? Or my client may send me a message and what I have set up to go out may respond to their message and I want to send it right away. I can just hit the send button and it will go out immediately instead of waiting for the time that I've set up. Now, if you do nothing, the message will go out at your selected time. Now back to our clients page. Upcoming appointments. This will show the appointments that are upcoming for you and your client. Here you can also set up a future appointment by clicking on this button and setting up all the information. And this works just like it does on your calendar. And you can send that out. Your client will see it on their calendar page on their device for that upcoming appointment. So again, this page, the profile page is how you can view your client's information at a glance. Thank you for watching and check out our YouTube channel for more useful tutorials for setting up a successful LyfQuest platform.